How to get best Worldremit discount promo codes. Now, before you go ahead and start transferring your money or sending your money over, for you to be able to stretch down the price for fees from Worldremit, here's how. And just simply create another tab from your current browser and type in couponchief.com. And here what you want to do next is locate the search box and just search for stores, which is going to be Worldremit. Choose on the very first link, and then here you should be able to see multiple options or deals that you can go ahead and use. Now, if you wanted to have these sales or get these deals, then just simply click on Get Deal. Or if you would like to have this promo code, simply click on Promo Code so that you can copy the unique code and then go back to Worldremit's official site. That's basically it. That's how you find the best Worldremit discount promo code.